Hello. How are we all doing on this hump day of a Wednesday? Aha, there we are. Well, wherever we are in the world. From this part, I hope you're having a good one. It's a sunny yet cloudy day. Given that there was a lot of rain yesterday when it certainly shouldn't have been raining at all until it did. And so now it's just going to be a bit windy until eventually it'll probably rain again. Wind map. What use is a wind map if there's precipitation involved? Precipitation. Well, there's rain surrounding us, but passing us by on all sides. So who knows? It could just be. Oh my word, why is it so far behind? There we go. Doop. So I think today we're going to handle the missing thrusters on the cruiser. Why not? It's not exciting, but stuff that needs to be done. See, we've already got are they connected to anything? Right, so we've got basic thrusters. Oh yeah, this complicates the shit out of it, doesn't it? Because we have parts that fall away. Oh, don't we have something that says connected? Honestly, I want to try and keep it as simple as we can. Connections. You see? Oh. Is that what we want to do? What does Deathbed Froze do? Let's just make sure it does what we remember it doing, because it's been that long. It could be doing something else. But I believe it just disables stuff when that child object is destroyed. Used to handle dying and death behavior states. Dying for spinning. Dead for death explosion. Debris. Connections. Substructures. Any game objects not parented to be disabled with the parent substructure. There we go. So when this dies, which is the It's the gliders, isn't it? Yeah. All the mesh gliders, then that's what we're linked to. So let's just take these. Bring them down there. And then well, we can keep the turrets there because they're in the mesh anyway. Let's come back to the connections. Bottom left. Just padlock that. Engine left bottom. Did you not just go on there then? Right. Yep. Okay. Engine right top. So finicky, isn't it? Engine right bottom. Why did I put that there? Engine left. Top. That goes there. Uh-huh. Oh, there we go. I was like, why is it not playing? No, it is. Whee. Yeah. This particle scaler needs to disappear because it's not the correct particle scaler anymore. Is it on these? This is my new particle scaler system. That actually does what it's supposed to do. Because otherwise it doesn't. Oh. Doesn't let you do multiple. How annoying. So, multiply by 2. Yeah, look at all that. Why does that look so much better? Let's see, prefab, unpack. What's it still attached to? Save those changes. Corvette engine. Okay. Select Corvette engine. And prefab variant. F2 cruiser. Main engine particle. Okay. So now that we've used that, then these need to be replaced. Alright, clicking the wrong flipping thing. There you go. Gorgeous. Length seems quite a lot, but now we can actually change that. By just modifying this and saying, is it velocity? Yeah. There you go. A little bit more reasonable. Now is like, oh, these bloody things. Control centered. Right. Do we just want a backwards? They do turn left, turn right, which makes sense. We just need a backwards, which doesn't do anything else other than backwards. So no rotation. Eee. Why are you so offset? There we go. Let's do the same. Battle cruiser thruster. That could actually be more generic for the size it needs to be. You know when you spend too long trying to get it right, it really doesn't give a shit. Because you're not going to see it. This is why I'll never get this game finished. Trying to get everything lined up perfect. Yeah. I want to make those thrusters bigger. Really? I can't do divisions of. Ugh. Uh-huh. Alright, out to itself. Yeah, therefore it can't do it. So how about we'll just make a slight change like this. New scale value. And then we need to make sure if it's valid. And you know, then we can do them. And also scale value can then become new scale value. This is putting a decimal point It's not helping, is it? So divide by 2, and then... Nope. What's happening when I put a decimal place? Additions. Value. Not T-string. Don't contains a full stop. Does it just try and convert it anyway without the decimal? We'll be there forever, won't we? Point. Doesn't let you put a point in. Am I even... Yeah, we'll hook back up. So maybe... make a single text file. Okay. Yeah. Not sure if doing that right or wrong. Still only wants to... Right, so we put a full stop in there. It says yes. And then what does this say? This says... Well, it should be there. But we're not checking for decimal values. So... Right, so yeah. There's like we're editing that value, aren't we? And then passing it back. So private string. Okay. Text value. That's the first thing we do. Let's get our text value. Then if text value dot end with full stop. Then we can try and see if it's a value. Scale value. And then if we're able to do that, then our text value is whatever the scale value is. Oh, text file is going to be the same, isn't it? So let's just assume it's correct. And dot contains you not count the number of So you count occurrences. So you do a replace. Dot length minus this dot length it's just to get is what less than or equal to 1. If no, full stop. Well, what are we doing? Just this. Okay. No more than one full stop. And it ends with... Can I just say ends with a number? No. Yeah, without right checks, surely. Is digit? Yeah. Gotta love Stack Overflow. Can do that now, can't we? Len equals... It's all in the editor, but you know... And ends with digit. Always just to do a custom made inspector thing. Ah, look at that. See, so it goes like, what? What the fudge? That's hilarious. Alright, okay. So length minus let's do this. Len equals 2. Oh, gives an idea. You gotta do that. And it's now going to be 2. So this is 0, fine, and it doesn't think. Fuck off. Oh no, of course. Duh. Now you can do that. That was what I was thinking of. That's why I was doing it weirdly. There you go. Yay! My word, how long did it take me to do that? Now we can do 1.5 multiply. Is it even big or what? Who knows? Now click this and say modify component. Apply as override. And you should get bigger. Boo! Someone trying to sell followers and ban you, bitch. Thought it was a while before bots had come back round, but now there they are. Why is this not? Do I need to revert on this? What's going on? It should have changed values. Why is that bigger than that now? Apply all to prefab variant. There you go. So it doesn't mean it's done it to that. Looks different. Okay, let's sort that out. So we're just making the thrusters bigger, so hopefully we don't need to use as many. You know what I'm saying? Whew. Just eyeballing it, because when you're looking at it in real world, you're never gonna know. we go, other side. I haven't got a great deal to say, honestly. It's just all this boring alignment of things. It's not the most exciting thing to be witnessing, but it's all just emulating the idea of thrusters. So these thrusters don't have any forces whatsoever. They're just simulating that it does. And then I'm just using general physics to rotate on a point based on a force that is originated probably from the center of the ship. Because otherwise, could you imagine me trying to figure out where to best place thrusters so that they could do the best that they're supposed to do? The Star Sisters has got like the gimbaled thrusters, which probably helps, but I'm not going into that level of detail ever, because it doesn't add anything. If anything, what Star Citizen found out is that doing such fancy things gets in the way and makes ships feel sluggish and whatnot. So that level of detail is not required for me. A balance on fun above anything. Oh, it's been an hour. I'm going to take a quick short break. Thank you for waiting. Oh. Looks nice and warm outside, but it's flipping cold. Oh. Does that keep falling out of sync? What's this saying? Particle scalar. Reference. Yeah, we know it's not set to. Okay. Yeah. String dot is null. A white space. There you go. That's not a number. If not there, and jar is digit. No, and text value 0 equals is not equal to 0. Oh no. It was 0 and length is greater than 1. Then. Text value is going to be 0 because we just typed in something stupid. It's like 0, 1, 2, 3, nope. So that should be, if it is null or white space. Oh, well actually if a null or white space, text value is 0. else if text value the first value starts with 0. Ensure 0. Well, we don't need that, do we? Zero. If's number starts with 0 and has more than 1 digit. Remove the leading 0. Next value equals text value dot substring start index 1, 2. That's it. Yeah, okay. Clever clogs. Right, so 0, and we put a 1 on it, and it doesn't give a shit. Oh, that's one there. So, what's it doing at this point? Oh, come on, don't be like that. Why is there no breakpoint? Right, now there's... Very good. Why is there no breakpoint now? Why? Why? What's it doing? It's like, fuck it, I give up. But then it has to be getting in there. Why? Why would it all of a sudden say, fuck you? Well, because you need to click on the editor itself. Because it's only running on Windows events, isn't it? So, text value, 0, yes. And text length, what? Oh, it's a string, isn't it? Amazing. Oh, it's a char. Even better. There you go. Oh. Oh, fuck me. So now we've got, well, what happens if we put a decimal place? Well, we don't want to have a 0. And, oh. And so if text value 1 is a full stop, I am literally creating a fucking float field in Unity editor. Why am I doing this? I shouldn't need to do this. Shouldn't be doing this. This is distracting me from finishing my game. So if it's a full stop, then not equals full stop, then we'll do this, okay? And then we'll leave it at that. If that works, I'll fuck everything else off. Maybe I should be using... Oh, I definitely know what I should be using. 0.0124, yeah. 0, 1, 2, yep. Beep, 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 beep. 0, and then it just replaces it. 0, whoop. 0 dot d minus 0. It'll do. I don't know why I did that. Obviously, I'm bored. Now the next thing is backwards, pull up, turn right. Oh my word. Yeah, that's a 0, shouldn't it, really? Shit. All these are 0. Heebie-jeebie-jeebie. And now Save that. This is what? Battle cruiser. Primary. Whatever it is, or whatever it isn't. We shall find out. I can rename them, please. Where's my... Here we go. Bad posture. So we got, oh, that's F2 cruiser. Those are thruster particles. So, if we're doing what we're gonna do, then create a prefab variant of this one. Look bisted. Oh, why does it keep doing that? Fuck off. Overrides. No overrides. Despite the name being fucking different. How clever are you? Save now? No, not that clever. Save now. Rename file. Save now. Rename file. Wait, no, it still says cruiser main engine. Do I have to do this then? Good job, there's not that many. And then the thrusters are fine, but what we want to do now is... equivalent of a braking thruster. Maybe they don't need to change the size. that can fit in there because of how it is. And then let's just stop that so we can just check to see our alignment is mostly centered in there. Whoop. That looks freaking huge. So now, and this was the whole point, is that 1.5. Did that even work? What's the deal? Yeah. So it's only slightly smaller. Well, that's what we wanted. And you needed to be on there and not with that. So pull up, turn right. If it's pulling up, then on the anchor, force in that way to pull up. And therefore there's turn right. Oh gosh. Or maybe we won't have that to pull up. No, we won't have that to pull up. That can just be rear and turning left. Okay. So we're turning right. And that means we can just duplicate that one. And if it's... It's not exactly an exact science, Daniel. Look, come all the way out, and then it looks like it's fine. How long have we been at this for? An hour and a half. How long did we spend messing around with the value? Okay, so... No, we don't want any more backwards, do we? Got all the backwards we need. Oh, why have I done that? These are both the same. There we go. Simplified. So we don't need any backwards. Get rid of all the backwards. Is that right? Because then we've got down. Push down, full up. Yeah. We got rid of all of them. See also secondary engine particle. Should be 50, I guess. Give over. Burn this. There we go. There we go. Oh, no, that's a carrier. Don't know the difference between a carrier and a cruiser. Really? What is going on? See, it's different. Why is it different? Oh, now it recognizes the fucking change. I hate Unity at times. What? Why? Had no reason to consider these different. Not all. Yeah, okay. We need to change that quad anyway. It's not very good for how stretched this is. We need its own specific quad. And where were we? NDDD. Uh. What is this to do? Down. push down. So moving downwards on its belly, but also tipping down to look down, rotation, pitching down. So that would need to be up near the front. Oops. Break it in. Ish. Okay. Oh my word. So going down, roll clockwise, push down. Stop it, Daniel. Down, roll clockwise, push down. And then the opposite, down, roll, push down. Which then is quite simply yeah. So that's handling the front part, and then we get to handle the back part, which we go down, we're rolling anti-clockwise and now pulling up, rotating clockwise, and then also anti-clockwise, you know what I'm saying. Okay, right. So, down, rolling clockwise, pulling up. So, pushing down. If we're rolling clockwise, then it needs to be on this side. And then if it's pulling the ship up, then it needs to be on the rear. Oh shit, I'm moving the wrong fucking thing. There we go. So we got our two. Mirrored. Get that save before the Unity editor crashes and we lose all progress. Now, the opposite. Why don't you do that? So it's almost been another hour. Just time consuming, isn't it? If I didn't bother with these details, which nobody ever seems to have noticed anyway, or commented on whatsoever. So it's maybe like, it's a meh thing. It's like, so what? And then you see other games where I've got significantly less features of what I'm doing, and then somehow they make it look nicer. And it's like, oh, how the fuck did you do that? But it just goes to show that despite what people say, what they want is which like more gameplay and less nice graphics. People still want nice graphics and still accept less gameplay as a result. Yeah. Is that all right? Yeah, we're gonna do them. So up, roll clockwise, push down. So we're dealing with. Oh. Let's push down. Up, 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 pushing down. We're dealing with the rear. It's like this. Nope, wrong one. Not quite. Where's it? Get over there, you little bastard. So how far in it goes. Why is this behaving more than the other one? Around about there. Well, so it's around about right. Yeah. Around about right. So this is to pull up, roll clockwise, push it down. That's our two thrusters that we wanted. And then we can take U2, copy that. And they go in here. And then we just need to do the same thing. What's the height? It's 12. There you go. Up. Anti-clockwise. Push down. And then opposite. Now to do the front part of it. So these two. Which is to go up. Roll clockwise. Pull up, yeah. Copy that. Paste. Invert. And then oh, look, it's right there. Wait for it, is it not? I always like it when I can use these little details to align with thrusters, make it appear that it is sort of a thruster. Just feels right, you know what I mean? So that is up, rolling clockwise, pulling up. And then on the opposite, swap sides. From the left to the right. Oh, I should disable those quads as a debug option. Oh. Ow. Freaking ow. Okay. We're getting there. We're making progress. Let's just save it again. Oh, there's actually ads running on there. Just give me a moment. Quick toilet break. Okie dokie. Maybe put my glasses on to see if that might help me not strain my eyes. Not really. I think I got ripped off by Specsavers with a prescription that I didn't need, really. Or it's a bit of my long COVID. It depends on how tired my eyes are. It's honestly... It's only really for distance. Closeness ain't much of a difference at all. Unless I need to get really close, but I've smudged these now all over the blimmin' place. It's like trying to watch a TV show with Vaseline all over the screen. I guess if it's really close, then yeah, it does help. But for looking at a monitor, because it's just that distance away, an arm's length, it's like that. That's the perfect range for me.
Patty_TV just followed.
Patty, thank you very much for the follow, and follower goal met of 150. But you have my Twitch follow goal on. There we go. Hey, Twitch follow goal. Hey. Weird alerts and whatnot. Is that what alerts as well? I had Twitch alerts off. Oh, maybe that's why. Anywho, welcome. Thank you for following. Much appreciated. I'm working on a space combat game, and I'm just currently currently in the process of making it look like thrusters change the trajectories of ships with particle effects. And that's it. You French? Je suis anglais, ne pas de français. Bonjour, comment ça va? It's about my limit of French. Hope you're good. Hope you're having a fantastic day today. Comme ci, comme ça. Say, I'm using my school French here. Yeah, so. Okay, not fantastic, but not bad. So good. I'm good. Oh, shit. Oh, just a lot of back pain. Mercy. Yeah, I learned French in school when I was like 14, and a little bit arrêté, and that's it. I couldn't not speak. That's the limit of French, basically. Though when I was last in France, it was enough to like get like general instructions to drive from one place to another. It was quite funny because the French people I was speaking to were quite surprised I understood various bits. Yeah, that's the only language I really learned. Maybe I should try and pick it up again. Actually learn a language and try to actually use it, you know. But yeah, long time ago. Comme ci, comme ça. Yeah. Oh, it is hilarious. Let's see, so now is, so we've done up. Well, I've got to get rid of all them because that's confusing as heck. Space fan, yes, much so. I think the game that got me the most into it was Wing Commander. However, before I ever played Wing Commander, I always loved Battlestar Galactica, that original one, back in the late 70s, and Star Wars. So getting to play Wing Commander and lose at that constantly on Amiga 500 with like 5 frames a second inspired me. And the music was great. It always gave me the adrenaline rush. And it probably burnt all the adrenaline out of my system. Which is why I'm much more tepid today. So yeah, I started making space games because there was a drought of them way back when. When I say way back then, 25 plus years ago. And then when Star Citizen got announced, I was working on my other game, Absolute Territory, which I started 5 years prior to that. And then it took me another 5 years to finish it. Just me. I'm the only developer on this. I will buy models from Asset Store and use those models. So I have no 3D modeling skills, or very limited. And what skills I have, I forget, and I have to remind myself with a little cheat sheet when I use Blender to do the basic stuff that I do when I need to do it. But yeah, anything else is like just assets that I buy, use it, try and put together something cohesive, and all the programming I mostly do myself. About 99 point something % of it is all my own code. Just some various things like Rewired, which is an input system. I use that because to write your own or use Unity is a load of garbage. Plus it's a fantastic input system. Excuse me. I'm looking at turn left, left, turn left, down, down, push down, down. Do I want another down, push down? Nah. Haven't we done that? Don't worry about your English. The fact that you can communicate with me in English speaks volumes, where I could not speak French to you. So don't worry about it. In fact, most people with English as a second language always seem to speak better than myself. So hey, don't worry about it. I only speak English and C#. England, across the pond, in the Greater Manchester area. So a stone's throw away from yourself. If you're living in France, that is. You could be in Canada. or wherever else. Big old assumptions, isn't it? So, up, anti-clockwise, pull up. That's these. So now it's slide left, turn left. How on earth would you roll anti-clockwise? That's a weird question. Do I dance? No. Oh, dance hand. I'm trying to make sure, like this ship right in front of us, like for all these directions, it's like going up. Roll anti-clockwise is that way. I'm pulling up, so then I'm just visualizing on my hand where those thrusters should go, so then I can translate it and put it on the ship in the correct position. Little visual clue for myself. Unreal Engine? Oh, good. I've been using Unity since roughly last 14 years-ish, 12 to 14 years. Before Unity Engine was even allowed to be given for other people who didn't have millions of pounds in their pockets. And I just stuck with it. Because it could do what I could do. What I wanted it to do. And even if I did this in Unreal Engine, I think the graphics would still just look the same. Given my skill on that. I was just talking to myself earlier saying, like, there's people who are making Unity games, like space games, and a lot less features than what I've got, but the game just looks so much better than mine, and it's like, what am I doing wrong? What have I done wrong? Why can they make their games look so much nicer than mine? So, left, turn left. So front right to go left and turn left. So on here, I guess this could be now our thruster place. And oh yeah. Thanks for the effort of making conversation in a different language, you know. I think English language is the most easiest languages to learn ever. Because, you know, very basic, lazy. It's the lazy language in comparison with others, with variations in how they use the words. Oh, that's interesting. We've got this thrust here. So why don't I... If I knew which one it was, I can use the size. Not easy for you. Right, this one, height of 11.26. Yeah, if I try to learn a language now, it'll be a lot harder. Because apparently the best time to learn a language is when you're young. Because they reckon your brain is elastic and more capable of learning more things. But probably due to less stress. You're going to go to your second account. Let's see, play it there. So that is, I'm pushing it left, turning it left. Oh, of course, anti-clockwise. Yeah, we're not going to do that. We're not going to have any of that on those. Nah. What we've got will be enough. Because that's the other thing, all these thrusters, it's like how many's too many. So I don't want to overdo it. So we've got this one here. I guess we want one on down there maybe. Oh, blinded. Blinded by the light. There we go. Comes out to there, does it? No. Comes all the way down to there. Ugh. Ugh. That should be fine. at least. We reckon it will be fine. Yeah, great. And then just love it when you can just copy and paste stuff and just whoop, 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 whoop. Huh? Where the fudge is that one from? Did I just... What? Wrong value.
BS Studio _ TV just followed.
Is this you again? I thought it would be. Why are you following me with a second account? Oh, how many accounts have you got? I bet you're like me. I bet you got a dozen Twitch accounts. Because I literally have something like that. Because I started off... I started off with one, then I started creating accounts for bots. And then you get those ideas is, I will create this channel for this idea. And then it's like buying websites, isn't it? Domain names for ideas that you never use. And now I created this account, which I use as my Gamedev account, I guess. Streaming account. And then I've got another account, which I just lurk in people's streams on. My main account. Which is a little weird doing it like that, because then people can't associate that account to this account. Whether they would or not, who knows. But anyone who knows how to search Google could easily find out. So we've done the left one, turn right. We're not doing clockwise. Dev and video games, yeah. So that's, what do they call that now? Variety streaming, isn't it? You do a variety of things. I've been mostly using this for dev. I would like to do some variety streaming on it. I did a little bit, but not a lot. But at the minute, I've got limited energy for streaming as long as I do. So trying to do more is just not practical or feasible at the moment. Right, turn right. So that's... Copy that, paste it here. Invert that. Put it on the other side. Oh, don't worry about it. I would not stream, whoops, wrong one, if I didn't want to be bothered. I stream to have conversations with people and try to remain sane with myself. So this is turn right, turn right. No, just I'm just doing a lot of boring stuff, you know, which is not exciting in any way. It's quite mind-numbingly boring, and I'm not very good at holding conversations. while being entertaining. What's going on here? Have I messed this up? I have messed this up. See, so slide right and turn right. So that's this is why I hate this. It's like I want to click that thruster. Oh, I did. That's left. So what's this one? Oh, that's wrong. So that is... Hang on. Left. Turn left. Correct. Gosh. Oh, it's a duplicate. I did not see that. So, go left, turn left. Go right, turn right. Left, turn right. Get rid of that one. And then back to this. So left, turn left. So that's on the rear, but none of that. Left, turn left. Oh, so we must have left, turn left. Yeah, it's there. Ugh. Left, turn left, right, turn right. So right, turn right. Left, turn right. That's what this is. Just slightly different. So copy you, Place this child to here. Returning right then. Needs to be at the back of you. And blah. Like there. Blinded. So something like that. Yeah, it's in there, isn't it? And just eyeballing it. There we go. Now, anything that goes. That's left. So we got 2 there. And making that negative down there, it's like, oop. So like there. And like that. Yeah. That should be fine. These aren't connected to anything, so left, turn right. So, using logic. Logic? What's that? To go right and turn. To go right and turn left. Forward stuff. So that's the rear stuff. Like we've done there. Copy that and paste it here. Invert it there. So let's go right. And yeah. Right. Turn left. Yeah. Gosh. And then right. Turn right means we need that. So, oh gosh. Not what I'm trying to click on, thank you. Them two. is child. So right to right. Okay. And you know what, I think that should cover that. To have so many items would be too much. Shall we see what it looks like? See where I've gone wrong? Okay, so rotate. Yeah. Why have I got so many thrusters for that way, but not that way? Can't see underneath. Is that me? Yeah. Thrusting, breaking down, yeah. Cool. And then damn you. There's always one. Like that thruster. Yeah, on that point. That's telling me that the model isn't well adjusted. Yeah. See how it's just lighting up on the back of the engines when I'm turning left and right. That's literally saying, yeah, your model position is off for the center of mass. So what that means is when I'm rotating left and right, it's also adjusting the other position. Let's see if we can see if that's the case. It's the easiest way to do that. Play focused. We'll look at the player. And we're paying attention to position. Well, if we're turning that way, yeah. See what's going on with all those values. That is very interesting. It's not actually stopped. It is slowly rotating. And still is. Now it's stopped. Yeah, so the only rotation that should be occurring at this point is on the y-axis, because I'm holding down right, but it decides it wants to adjust the X and the Z. Now I could do automatic center of mass. Will that do it? Should it have been done that way? Automatic center of mass, no. How about on the Y? I can't just do that. I need to look into Blender and see where that calculates the center of mass, and then try and find the approximate position with this. But wait till that model's sorted out. I need to be better with all my cleanup operations. Despite that, that's working correctly. That only took me 3 hours. Or if we take away the distraction, about 2.5 hours maybe. And that's repeating that process for each ship in the game. So you can see how it takes a while to get through it. But hey, look at that. We did that off. Well, we convert it to its own card. There you go. Next up, it says, well, actually, let's have a look at that model then in Blender, shall we? Let's see if we can get that solved now while we know it's an issue. Otherwise, I'll probably just forget. What was the original ship? It's not that. Oh, we've sort of named stuff conveniently. But then not. It's not there. K6. K6. Oh, so many different things. Ow. A year and a half ago when we last touched this. So we have, I guess it's going to be that. Right, that's our model. And I need my cheat sheet. How do I select all? Just A. Right, select all. And then Shift C. Shift C. Nope. Is it just C? Nope. Right click. Set origin. Alright, right click. Set origin to surface. I didn't like that. Oh, yeah. No. How do you add it all together? I want to combine them. Nope. Control B. Nope. Shift B. Shift G. Selected group. No. Control G. No. Don't want to create a collection. This off. I want to group you. Join. Control J. That's now one object, and then volume is that position there, and then do nope. Volume is there. Mass is there, or surface area there. So I think we want by volume, and then how do I find the position? Ah, there it is. Alright, so you see this panel down here, you see how values are offset. That's probably why. So how about then? That's a huge difference on there, isn't it? Alright, yeah. It's back there. I get it now. So you can see that's where the center of the mesh is. Not exactly what we wanted. You can also see it's not scaled right. And therefore X is 0.01163.9 and 45.684 and 0.90578. Is that the right place? No, that breaks everything I've just done. And okay. Back to the player ship. All those values still off. So did I just need to invert that? Oof. Could be. Actually, that was a negative value. So let's try it that way first. Oh. All wrong, so perhaps it is inverted now. So that's inverted, and that's there. Oh, actually, that is that. Or that will be, no, it's there. As you see, the angles are all different. Z is the Y. X is correct, but Z is the Y. But is it that way? Minus is down. And therefore yeah, therefore that's correct. At least that's correct. Alright, last chance. Let's see. No. Well, we'll have to try and figure that out at some point, won't we? But for now, otherwise. My mouse just wants to change freaking speeds all on its own. But you can see I've got that scaled, and that's not a good thing in Unity. That's probably what might be causing part of the issue. Scaling the model up. So I need to scale the model up in Blender and then do it that way. Right, I'm going to end there. Oh, it's 3 hours. Hopefully back tomorrow, but there's ads running, so if you're on Twitch, you're not going to know. But thanks for watching. Bye for now.